No, that's all right. I'm down now. I'm never doing that.
You know, in 2011, the movie Shrek came out, and there's a scene in that movie where Shrek and Princess Fiona have angrily parted ways. I know you both all have seen Shrek, so you remember that scene. The older Shrek pines for the princess just as she is joyously preparing herself for a wedding to a tiny prince she really doesn't love. Well, it's a poignant moment in an otherwise raucously funny film. And after months of testing out one sad song after another, the directors of Shrek decided to include Hallelujah for the movie soundtrack. Here are juniors Jillian Moole and Kylie Marcotte singing their interpretation of Hallelujah from the movie Shrek. Let's listen.
Your faith was strong.